Hi everybody, today I am going to show you and describe you about the top 10 best Android KitKat smartphones to buy in India this December. The first smartphone is HTC Desire 820, which you can buy at rupees 22,600 only. It has a 5.5-inch HD touch display screen with Android 4.2 KitKat OS. It has 1.2 GHz quad-core processor and 1 GB DDR2 RAM, including 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and 8 megapixel front facing camera. You will also get a 4G LTE Wi-Fi and also 2600 mAh battery. The second smartphone to buy which can be bought is Samsung Galaxy Note 4 with rupees 50,000 57,000 rupees. It has a 5.6-inch super quad HD display with Android 4.4 KitKat, 2.7 GHz quad-core processor and 3 GB RAM. You will also get Bluetooth of 4.1 and Wi-Fi available, including 16 megapixel autofocus rear camera and 3.7 megapixel front facing camera. We will also get 32 GB internal storage, including 3220 mAh battery. The third smartphone is Motorola New Moto G, which you can buy at rupees 12,999 only. It also has a 5-inch display and Android 4.4 KitKat, including 1.2 GHz quad-core processor and 1 GB RAM. It has 8 GB and up to 16 GB internal memory storage, and you can also have an expandable memory slot in that. And this mobile phone has a dual SIM option, and whereas about the camera, it has an 8 megapixel rear camera and 2 megapixel front facing camera, and also you will get 3G Wi-Fi available, including Bluetooth. And battery, you will get 2070 mAh battery. The fourth smartphone is Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime, which you can buy at the price of rupees 14,202. It also has a 5-inch HD display and Android 4.4 KitKat OS, including 1.2 GHz quad-core processor and 1 GB RAM. You will get an 8 GB of internal memory, and also you can expand it up to 64 GB. And when it comes to camera, it has an 8 megapixel autofocus rear camera, including LED flash, and 5 megapixel front facing camera. You will also get a dual SIM, in which you can have a dual standby, and also you will get a 3G Wi-Fi Bluetooth available and 2600 mAh battery. Next is HTC Desire 816G. You can buy this this smartphone at rupees 15,572. It has a 5.5-inch display and 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, and Android 4.4 KitKat OS is inbuilt in that, and you will get a dual SIM. Whereas it has a 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and 5 megapixel front facing camera. You will also get 1 GB RAM and 8 GB internal memory, which can be expandable also. You will get Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 3G and everything available. The next smartphone is Samsung Galaxy Core Prime, which you can buy at price of below 10,000, that is 9,380 only. You will get a 4.5-inch display with Android 4.4 OS, and you will get an 1.3 GHz quad-core processor and 1 GB RAM. It has an 8 GB internal memory which can be expandable up to 64 GB. You will get a 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and 2 megapixel front facing camera. Also you will get 3G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth available. The next is Lenovo Vibe X2, which you can buy at price of rupees 19,999 only. It has 5-inch display with Android 4.4 KitKat OS, 2.0 GHz octa-core processor is inbuilt in that, and 2 GB RAM. 32 GB internal memory will be available, and also you will get a dual SIM slot with 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. You will also get 3G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth available. The next is HTC Desire 816, which you can buy at price of rupees 24,399. It has a 5.5-inch display with 1.6 GHz quad-core processor, and Android 4.4 KitKat OS is inbuilt. It has a dual SIM, including 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and 5 megapixel front facing camera. You will get 1.5 GB RAM and 8 GB internal memory, which can be also expandable. And you will also get 3G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth available. The next is Sony Xperia Z3, which you can buy at price of rupees 47,990. It has a 5.2-inch display with with live color LED powered by X Reality engine, and it has an 2.5 GHz quad-core processor and 3 GB RAM. It has a 16 GB internal memory and up to 128 GB expandable. It has an Android. It comes with Android 4.4 KitKat processor, and whereas camera, it has 20.7 megapixel primary camera and 2.2 megapixel front facing camera. You will also get 4G Wi-Fi Bluetooth available in that. The last and but not the least smartphone is Sony Xperia Z3 Compact. You can buy this superb smartphone at rupees 41,349. It has a 4.6-inch display with Android 4.4 KitKat OS. It has a 2.5 GHz quad-core processor with 2 GB RAM. It has 16 GB internal memory, which can be expandable up to 128 GB via micro SD slot. And also you will get 20.7 megapixel camera and 2.2 megapixel front facing camera, and at last you will get 4G, 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and everything available in this super smartphone. So I think these are the 10 best Android KitKat smartphones which can be bought in India this December. Thanks for watching Alitech.